Good morning, everybody. It's your girl Tiger here. I just got out the hospital yesterday, but I'm feeling a little bit better today. I'm about to check my sugar again and see what that is. And then I'm going to get in the shower, get dressed, and start frying this chicken and these homemade fries. Because, baby, I'm hungry. Woo. Let's get in the shower. Hey. Hey, y'all. I am ready. Thank you, Jesus, for another day. I am dressed. Now I'm about to check my blood sugar, wash these dishes so I can fry this chicken and these homemade fries, baby, because I am hungry. I did not comb my hair. When I got out the shower, I just pulled it to the back and put a ponytail holder on it. I got on my No Worries God Got Me shirt and my Nike sweats, and some black moccasin flats so I can be comfortable and do this. So, yeah, y'all. Let's do it. Let's clean up this damn house. All about these banana nut breads and left them in the oven. Baby. This one. That sucks because I know those were really good. Okay, let's wash the dishes. Oh, shit. Damn it. Okay, so I gotta take my medicine this morning, y'all, and I was in the hospital because my sugar was high, so I gotta be careful what I eat. I had drank some Hawaiian Punch, and that really messed me up. But I know this is gross, this cottage cheese stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and have a little with some fruit, some pineapples or something. So, yeah. Okay, so damn, I don't remember opening that. Okay, I got a sweep, and I got a mop. I got a lot of stuff to do, y'all. So I'm just taking some cottage cheese because I gotta eat better. So that's my cottage cheese. And I have some Dove pineapple chunks. I'm gonna get a couple of these. Cause baby, we gotta have a little fruit. Too many. Okay, let's try this stuff and see what it tasting like. Cheers. Honestly, the cottage cheese tastes a little salty, so I'm glad I added the fruit. Oh yeah, much better with the fruit. While I was just blowing it, okay, so after I finish this cottage cheese and pineapples, I'm gonna take my medicine. I'm gonna pick up all these rugs and sweep and mop my living room. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna check my sugar now for the second time. Because, ow. Oh, shit. Why is it going up instead of down? And I took my medicine. Now it's starting to make me think the medicine raising my blood sugar. But we're going to work with it. We're going to get it down. So I'm going to take 2 metformins. Because, baby, we got to get the sugar down. So I'm cleaning this chicken with some vinegar and water. And I only had 4 drumsticks, y'all. So I'm going to have a 4-piece. That's enough for me. And some fries. Y'all, homemade fries. We're going to use the minced onion because we ain't got no more onion powder. Right. Garlic powder. And cayenne pepper because I like cayenne pepper. Some paprika. And some Lori's seasoning salt. Now we're gonna mix everything. Y'all, I'm tired. My food is almost done. I'm waiting for my macaroni and cheese to get done, and then I'll have my meal. Yes, honey, yes. My food is done. Oh my God. So good. Ooh.